So we're back over on the Hale project, and what we've got here now is I've just fitted me 2 double rafters, and we're going to be making a small dormer opening. It's just going to be a small window dormer opening. It's got a flat roof on it, and it's just going to be a nice, quick, simple, easy build. That should be about right there, roughly. Right. So what I've got here now is the 1500 window opening, which should be there or thereabouts. I think it might just be just under. 1450 it is. So what we've got here now is, and what I've done is, we've got a 2.2 ceiling height, so I've marked a 2.2 either side. And then what we'll do is going to get my top plates all set up now. I'm just going to basically get the frame all the way around. I'm going to cut off the heads here so everything's all nice and square. And we're just going to basically just go around and just get it all infilled. There's a nice flat roof going on here, but the flat roof's been taking the weight off of purling. It goes from, there's an internal wall to go in and a wall to go up behind me. So we're just going to put the purling in place to build the wall off, and the brick is going to just build up to it. So you can plasterboard that. I don't like it when you put your double trimmer in and you see it all rang in the spar, so I like a full plate on everything. So I'm going to cut these 3 up now, right? So there's one there, one there, one there going in, one there, same distance, same measurements. Yeah, and then I'll cut this in. Put the bottom in, there's going to be a few noggins in there. One up right there, one up right there for a seat, for the window. Yeah, yeah. And then a bar across the top, and then that's that window set, and then it's a flat roof.
You have a finger running through the middle.
What's that?
No, like you said, you're putting up like there.
Yeah, I'm only putting 2, one there, and then it'll be a little small stud wall.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
So that's the dormer front and sides. So we've got dormer cheeks built, dormer face built, and that's going to be the size of the window. I think it's about 850 on the inside, it's about 850 high to bottom of sill. 2.1 to head height, and then 2.2 to ceiling height. What we've got to do now is, I've got a purlin that goes right across. So this is where there's going to be an internal wall here, and there's also a block wall going up there. So we're going to put a purlin in, just fix it up into place. It's just so it'll take the weight of our flat roof. I'm going to get all that fixed in and all hanged up, and then what we're going to do is a bit of a stud wall to build around in the purlin. So this is like a bit of a tunnelled window seat. I think they're going to put like a nice window seat underneath it as well. So I'm out of breath here because I've been hand sawing. And then so I'm just getting purlin in and get my flat roof on. Yeah?
Yeah. I'm on the purlin now.
So that's it, nice, simple, easy dormer build. Just thought I'd try and do a small but simple video. Nothing too much, but yeah, only took a couple of hours. All we've got to do is finish the front off here. We've got to put some new spars in, but we ain't got any 6x2 on site, so we're waiting for a delivery. But yeah, that's it for this episode. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Wash.